Hello everyone, my name is Ranjitha and our project name is Calorie Mate and project team number is Team 3 and team name is the Innovators. The next slide please. And our agenda starts from team member roles and responsibilities. Next we are going to explain problem statement. After that we gonna describe about the project discrimination. Discrimination. And next we are going to explain user personas as we will give the examples in this PPT. And we are using some technologies and tools. And we have our next algorithms and we have a schedule for this project. And we have team working agreement as well. And next we are going to talk about retrospective as well. This retrospective videos will be in the group wiki page link. Here are our team members and roles and responsibilities. This is me and front-end developer as a team leader. And Nikitha Reddy gonna be in front-end developer. Harshitha is gonna be in back-end developer. Sai Bhargav will be in and back-end developer as well. And SaiKumar will be in machine learning and scrum master. And Vikranth Reddy also will be in machine learning engineer. And so the next slide gonna be explained Harshitha.
Yeah, the problem statement is, as we all know, like the daily intake of our food is very different, and it also difficult for us to keep track of that food, as it is time taking, and also it takes lots of efforts. And the existing nutrition apps ask you to input manually all the meals, ingredients, and quantities, which is very challenging. Additionally, the unpackaged foods and also the food which is prepared in our home, estimating the calories of these food is very challenging unless there is an easy approach or automatic method. We all stop following the diet recommendation. In order to find solution for this problem, we are implementing this project. The next slide will be continued by my friend Bhargav.
Yeah, uh, I myself Bhargav. So I'm gonna continue this project description. So here, the project description is main about the health conscious for the user. So user is nothing but you, me, a other someone. So here the main thing is like who want to easily track their food and intake and manage their diet. So here nowadays the people are gonna very getting illness because of they are not doing the proper diet and they don't know what they are eating. Mostly people are like to eat the junk food. They don't know how much calories and how much sugars they are intaking of the food. So we assume that so people want to use our application because they wanna know about the knowledge with quick and responsive is very fast. So the people can easily know about the how much the calories of the food, how much the vitamins. So they don't wanna like search on the Google and knowing about and wasting of lot of time. So our main motto is reduce the time management is our main motto, and we improve health goal support so and convenience and consistency. So I discussed about this because it's like a fast, hassle-free way to track calories and nutrients, save timing and improving accuracy. Sai, can you move the next slide?
Yeah.
Yeah, this slide Nikita will take care about this.
Yeah, has we taken personas as example? So here in this slide, we are seeing Emma Johnson working as a marketing specialist. Her goal is to build muscle and maintain a healthy diet. The challenges she's facing is to track the calories of her proteins, carbs, and fats as she's consuming in daily routine. This app helps Emily to take photos of her meals to instantly track nutrients and keeping her fitness plan on track. Going to next slide. In this slide we are like taking example as a John Cook, who is a busy professional. His goal is to lose weight and adopt healthier eating habits. His challenge is to record calorie information due to his demanding work schedule. This app helps John to take photo recognition, and barcode scanner allows John to quickly track meals. Going to next slide. Here we are taking Kruti Patel as an example. She is a health conscious parent as well teacher. So her goal is to maintain a balanced diet and teach her family healthy eating habits. A challenges she's facing is to track nutritional content of home cooked meals. This app helps Kruti to easily track home cooked meals through photo recognition and adopt portions to get accurate nutritional insights, helping her plan meals for the entire family. Going to the next slide is taken care by my friend.
So technologies in the front end we are using Expo React Native. So it makes super easy. It's a tool that helps you to create mobile apps that with very fast and without any complicated setups. And it's a shortcut with mobile apps. Instead of dealing with the complex coding like setups, it will be very easy by using JavaScript and React Native. It works on both Android and iOS, so we don't have to separately use the code for each of them. And next, we are using a food one, right? So it's gonna by scanning the food, we can get the how much calories we are intaking. So it's gonna help with that. So next slide, we're gonna explain.
By me. Yeah, the technologies which we have used in backend are nothing but Fast API, MongoDB, and AWS. Fast API is a tool that helps mobile app to communicate with other parts of the system like machine learning, which does calculation, and the database, which stores the data. It is nothing but it makes sure everything communicates smoothly and quickly. The rest of the two technologies will be explained by Bhargav.
Yes. Here, coming to that MongoDB and AWS. So let me explain you first about the MongoDB. So what's usually we gonna call as like container. So I think everyone know container what they can store. They will store some food, some products. So what's that? It's a platform like to store. It's like a box. So similarly, so the MongoDB is like a storage box. So that means so users we can store the users data and such as the meals and nutrition logs. So here the nutrition logs like calories or vitamins and references we can store in the database like favorite foods or diets. So then it's like a preference. So people user they wanna what they wanna eat and we will track everything and we can store the data in the MongoDB. So we are gonna use this platform to storing the data. Coming to AWS. So AWS is a cloud service. So AWS, we are in AWS, we are gonna implement these things like API, database, and machine learning services. So in AWS, why we are gonna deploy? Because AWS has a best security and it's a good hosting platform and because it has a rectifies like it will process like increase load it will clear out what we're gonna have some securities and coming to that APIs AWS and machine learning and database so these are the technologies we are gonna using to develop our application. So Sai, can you move the next slide?
Yeah, coming to machine learning algorithms, we are using PyTorch and Hugging Face. PyTorch, basically, it is used to build deep learning and artificial intelligence applications. In this application, we are going to use this because it is easy to use, and developers can easily build the models using this PyTorch. And in our project, we are going to use PyTorch to build and deploy AI models for food recognition and nutrition estimations. And PyTorch has an high performance because it provides efficient computation and supports hardware accelerations using GPUs. So that's why we are using PyTorch here. And coming to Hugging Face, my friend Vikrant will continue about that.
Calorie uses a pre-trained food expert, so which is basically a vision learning model, vision language model, sorry. So a vision language model is basically an AI model that understands and connects both images and text from Hugging Face to recognize the food from the pictures, basically. So this VLM model has already learned like tons of food lookalike so being trained by massive data sets. So when you take a picture, Calorie sends it back to VLM The VLM analyzes the picture and then it identifies the food and sends the information back to the calorie mate. So calorie mate then uses the food identification to estimate the total number of calories in it. So Hugging Face is used because they Hugging Face provide the ready to use powerful VLMs actually. So this helps us in saving deployment time and resources while ensuring very high accuracy for us. And this also allows Calorie made to focus on other app features instead of like building complex AI models from scratch. Essentially, like Hugging Face gives like Calorie made a head start in food recognition. And one more important reason that we use Hugging Face because it constantly updating and improving the model. So Calorie made benefits from ongoing advancements in any AI technology leading to like more accurate food recognition over time. And Sai will take over from it.
So in this project, our application utilizes some important algorithms to automate and process the calorie tracking. So for the food image recognition, we are going to use instruct BLIP model. And the main goal of this model, this algorithm is to identify food items present in an image because we are going to click a picture of the food item in our project. And the method in instruct BLIP is a combination of computer vision and natural language. And here after after that the application has main functionalities which are we are going to click a picture, processing that image using our algorithms, identifying food items, estimating nutrition, displaying the results. And after recognizing the foods, the nutrition estimation algorithm estimates the calories, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats based on the nutritional database and the approximate portion sizes in the food item. And coming to project schedule, we got 4 sprints, and we are currently in sprint 0. Next, from tomorrow, sprint 1 is going to start, and it has a deadline of 12th March. And next, on 9th April, it's a sprint 2, and 30th April, it will be the sprint 3. So we are ready for that sprints. And coming to the project schedule, for this is the to-do list we are done so far for sprint 0, where we have finalized the problem statement and we defined user personas and we choose and finalized the tech stack, and also we ourselves decided the team roles and responsibilities, and we signed the team working agreement, we finalizing the project schedule, and we already recorded the retrospective of sprint 0. And uh, the only thing left is submission of the sprint 0 deliverables and updating the wiki page. Coming to team working agreement, we all signed accordingly for this team working agreement. And there's the main things that we discussed, and that should be important are communication and collaboration, roles and responsibilities, decision making, deliverables, and retrospectives. All these 6 points are important for working as a team, and the thing will be continued by Bhargav.
Yeah, we all agree with the team working agreement. And
Yeah,
coming
we
to
agree with the
the,
team working
yeah,
document.
yeah,
Yes.
I think everyone agreed that.
Yes, we are
Yes,
agreeing.
Yes,
pretty
yeah.
sure.
Yes,
Bunny, can you move?
Yeah, the retrospective is nothing but like we have been we discussed about like what went well previously, and what can be improved for the next sprint, and actions to be taken for the further sprints. Like for example, like what all actions we can take in order to succeed in our project. This detailed video has been update will be updated in our wiki page. Please do visit in order to see the detail.
This is the wiki page link of our project. You can access our entire project there. We just uploaded our sprint 0 deliverables there. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah,
Thank you,
Thank
thank
everyone.
you
you
all.
again.
Thank you for participating. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
yeah.